This used to be called closed circuit TV because in order to see the picture you had to have a TV hooked up to the same circuit as the cameras. Most business owners don't really want that. They want to be able to view their cameras from when they're not on site. So cameras nowadays are hooked up to networks, which are then hooked up to the internet. The problem with that is that sometimes those cameras can be seen from anywhere, and I don't mean by the people who are authorized to do so. Researchers recently found 40,000 cameras worldwide that are just wide open, and they found 14,000 of those in the US. So when you're thinking of putting cameras into your business, or if you already have cameras in your business, you want to make sure that they're not, the cheapest thing you can find on the web, but also you want the people who installed them to understand cybersecurity, to understand network segmentation, to understand firewall rules, so you don't end up with your warehouse, your medical facility, or what have you, broadcast over the internet for anyone to see. So when you're installing cameras, make sure you have somebody versed in cybersecurity in the picture.